You guys. I got another bag. I have a problem, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, you guys. You're never gonna believe what happened. You are never gonna believe what happened. Oh my god, I have another unboxing for you. I have an Hermes bag. I got a Holy Grail bag. I didn't mean to. Totally accidental. Walked in, different store, not my home store, not Paris, no purchase history. I got offered a bag. What's happening? Is this the lawsuit? Is this the lawsuit? I have no idea. Oh my god, yeah, this is very exciting. I got a new bag. And also, this is also very scary because this is a very expensive bag. And I cannot, I need to stop. I need to stop. I cannot buy it. This is, after this and after Paris, obviously after Paris, I'm taking a break from shopping. I can't get, if I get my Kelly in Paris, I'm good, I'm done. So after this and after my Paris trip, if I get another quarter bag in Paris, then I'm done. I don't even know if I'm actually allowed to get a quarter bag now that I got this. That's something I didn't even think about. Oh, huh. Okay, more on that later. Shh. Ooh, shoot. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. We'll get. Damn it. Okay. We'll think about that later. Okay, let's do a switch unboxing because this is also very safe. And I cannot believe this happened. Okay, so this is crazy. So I'm gonna tell you the story and I'll insert videos and we'll talk about it. Okay, so you guys, I have a problem. Okay, we have a problem. I'll take the white bag away. I love that I got the white bag, but okay. I don't even do my intro there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a shopaholic, and Hermes. And today we're doing a impromptu surprise Hermes unboxing that I didn't even know I wanted. I didn't even know I was gonna get. I got offered a bag and I couldn't say no, and I am now, here it is. I don't even know if, like, maybe it was a push bag. I don't know. Maybe I have buyer's remorse. Maybe I do have buyer's remorse. I don't know. I have to look at it again because I haven't even seen it, but I'm really, really excited. So we're gonna open it. Okay. So we're gonna do the unboxing and I'm gonna tell you the story about it. You guys, oh my god, I have a problem. Okay, anyway, I can't stop. I couldn't say no. I have a problem. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna do a Hermes unboxing. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribe, and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm still in shock that this happened. This is a great bag. Never in a million years thought that I was gonna get offered this. Walking into the store, I went into a new store. So first of all, let me know in the comments below what you think I got. Go. Holy Grail bag, quarter bag BKC, from in the best combo and everything. Go guess. Okay. So, this is not a bag I have considered before. This is a bag I've looked at and I've never considered before. But, okay, anyway, that's it. So anyway, I'm gonna just tell you a story. I just don't even know this happened. I don't even know how this happened, okay? Part of me is like, is this a push bag? Because I feel like they don't just give these out, right? Unless it's a push bag. And a push bag is like when they want to push onto you because they can't sell it, right? Or something like that. But I just don't think that this could be one because it's so good. But then again, I mean, I could see how it could be. So we'll talk about that in a second. But my point is, I can't believe I got it, okay? And I love it, and I'm obsessed, and I'm so excited. I am a little like, wow, this is a lot of money. I spent a lot of money on this bag. And I had budgeted this money for my Paris bag. So, I don't know what to do about that, but Shopaholic needs to shop. Okay, all right, anyway, so I got it, okay? So, basically what happened, all right, I can't even contain my excitement, okay? I can't believe this happened, okay? Literally no intention of going in, no intention of getting a bag, nothing like that, didn't even go. So this was in my home store. I went to a different store, happened to be in the area, visiting, there was an Hermes there, and I went in actually with my friend who has a profile there, and they were going to get something repaired or follow up on something else. And so they were like, do you want to come? And I was like, oh yeah, I'll come too. They were getting their sandals repaired. And basically we were just stopping by for a repair. And I was actually wearing my hat that I wear all the time. And I brought it up so we went in, chat. I had my hat that I was wearing and I was like, oh, can you repair this actually? Because I had asked my home store and they were like, you can't, you have to send it for dry cleaning, stuff like that. So I thought I would just ask. And I think it's smaller stores, it's a little maybe easier or whatever, or they are more open to doing repairs. So they were like, yeah, of course we can repair that. I was like, oh, okay, great. My store is a very big store and like they have a lot of volume and they have a lot of things and they don't really have time for that. Is my understanding and I think my opinion, because same thing with my sandals. I tried to get them to repair it at my store because I saw somebody's TikTok about it. Newman Parker, I think. Hi Newman, if you're watching. And he had like said you can get your sent off for like a summer refresh program and they'll bring them back by the summer. So I had sent mine as well through a different smaller store, but not my main store. This store was also willing to do my hat, so it was like great. So we got that. I was just chatting out this essay. My friend was chatting out the essay because it's their essay, and the essay was like, I have this, if you guys, and my friend was bringing up their wish list and for a Birkin 25. And they were talking about blah, 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 and we talked about the loss a little bit and then like blah, blah. And then my friend was like, the guy was like, well, I actually have this in. Do you want to see it? And we were like, sure. I mean, it was one of the bags that's on the website all the time, the Kelly Depeche. You're like, yeah, sure, we'll see it. Why not? What's not to see? I haven't seen it in person. It's always on the website. And they were like, we have it in a color that it normally doesn't come on the website. It's like this blue color. It's like, oh yeah, let's check it out. So let's check it out. So they took us to a private room. And then as we were about to go, they were also like, I actually also have this in. Showed us a photo. And we were like, what? And he was like, yeah, I have this in. Do you want to see it? And we were like, yes, we want to see it. Yes, we want to see it. I feel like I'm going to pause the story, do the unboxing, and then it'll make more sense. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Let's just do the unboxing because that's the best part. Okay, here's a receipt. Oh my God. I cannot believe it. I can't believe I got this. I can't believe I spent this much. I'm now thinking about it. I'm a little worried about this is maybe going to hurt my chances of getting my other bag and also my chances and also buying from a different store that's not my store with my SA. I don't know if you guys know, is this going to be an issue with my SA? For buying a bag from another store. So my essay was like always like, if you can get something in another store that you can't get here, get it, go for it. Like, don't wait for me. But if it's something you can get here, obviously wait to get it with me. I don't think this is something I could just get, I could walk in and get. This is definitely not something I could just walk in and get. So I feel like it's okay, but then I have spent now at other stores that are not my home store in the US. I don't know if that's a faux pas or not. Somebody tell me, let me know in the comments below. Also, my other question is, it's more leather on my account. I have so much leather on my account. So like now I have to like offset this with other things, right? To like wait for my actual bag. That being here, there, I can wait as long as I want in the US. I'm still gonna take my shot in Paris in a couple of weeks. So anyway, so they brought this out and I was like, I have to get it. And the little label is right here. This bag is actually a lot more expensive. This is actually a lot more expensive than I thought. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop talking because, and I'm unboxing it this way only because I have to rebox it and then put it again on TikTok. So sorry. Okay, sorry. My friend called me in between and so I had to stop. Okay. I really don't like doing this. All right. Okay, last chance to guess what you guys think it is. I think. Can you tell from the box? Okay. Oh, let me just go wash my hands. You guys know what it is? Okay. I cannot believe I got this. Okay. And again, the feeling of this paper, you guys, the feeling of this. Yes, I know I have a problem. Yes, I shop too much. Yes, I buy too much. And I know. And this one is beautiful. This is probably just gonna sit in my closet, but it's so pretty. And I couldn't say no. Okay. Okay. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Ah! Okay, well, that didn't do it, but okay. It's a constant. Okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. How do I take this off? Okay. Oh, you guys. Ah! Okay, it is a Constance 24, the bigger size. It is a Constance 24 in black with gold hardware. I mean, this is like, I couldn't even like dream of a better bag. This is like the most amazing thing I could have seen. It's in box leather, which is delicate and a little, you know, scratch prone, but it's a heritage leather. It's Hermes's most used leather, most popular leather. Like it's very, and I think it's very rare actually to get a box leather bag. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think box is harder to get. There are a lot of vintage bags in box and there are a lot of vintage Kellys in box and they have like, it does show scratches really easily. So I mean, I am gonna have to be really careful with it or like really worry about wearing it, or I'm just gonna wear it and it's gonna get scratched up. But I get patinas over time and that scratches become part of it. So it's like all that. But anyway, you guys, I couldn't say no. Like, I saw it and I could not say no. Like, I don't need this. I mean, I love it. I love it. But like, honestly, like the amount that I'm going to use this is a going out like night bag, right? And I actually don't go out that much anymore, but I will have to find reasons to take this out because I don't think I can wear this as an everyday bag because it's just too delicate and too soft and too pretty and too nice. And it's not like durable. Like I was thinking this would replace my Chanel wallet on chains or like be like my Chanel like mini or like classic that I, you know, like that kind of vibe of that bag. But it is so nice, but it's so pretty. Like it would be such a good evening bag, such a good going out bag, such a good party bag. And you can wear it crossbody. I mean, you can wear it shoulder, you wear it over the shoulder like this, and you wear it crossbody. It does sit a little high on me, but I will do it. Can you believe it? Oh my God. Like this is like This is like freaking, what's it called? Like this is Holy Grail quota bag, like impossible to get. Like Constance's, I think sometimes are even harder to get than Kelly's right now. I mean, obviously the mini Constance is a little harder to get than the big one, but I think this is great. It's a great size. It's so, so beautiful. Okay. And gold hardware. It's very stiff, and I think it keeps structure because of the box. It's got a zip pocket in the back, one big compartment in the middle, and then a compartment here, and then a little mirror to like look at yourself. Duh. And then it's got a back pocket as well. And I think that it is very structured, which is nice. It's very shiny, isn't it? Okay, but like, yes, okay. Yeah, I mean, okay. I know that this is like, but it was actually really expensive for like a Constance. I didn't realize how expensive they were. I think the box leather makes it more expensive. But I feel like these are things I like. I'm like, box is really hard to get. Box is like heritage leather. It's very, very popular. It's very, very like classic Hermès. This is like a collector's piece. So I don't know that I'm gonna use it as much as I would like to because it is a collector's piece. I feel like it's more of a little collector's piece because they don't actually come that often in box new. Like you can get used ones, yeah. It's not like a bag that actually holds its value really, I think, because of the box, it like actually doesn't like, so it's not like, it's like a Birkin or Kelly. Like I think a regular Constance, like an Epsom might hold its value, but I don't think the box ones do because I've seen box ones. That was the only thing that upset me a little bit because I've seen box ones like this for like 8,000 on reused. So like I could have just gotten a reused one, but this is brand new from the store and it's on my profile and it's mine, so it doesn't really matter because it's mine. And it's so pretty. And the gold hardware, you guys, I'm dying. Like, it is so nice. Okay. Also, feel like it's not supposed to be an everyday bag, but I can make it an everyday bag and just make it and get all the wear and stuff and use it because it's going to get wear. It's going to get wear and I'm going to cry about it. I know because I'm such a perfectionist and I don't like things getting wear and I don't like, already I'm like, is this going to scratch the back? Like, you know, like I'm worried about getting wear on it, but it will get wear and I'm going to have to just get used to it. It's going to be one of those bags that's just going to like get scratched up and it's gonna grow with it. And that's what I read online, that like it grows with time with the leather and like you see a scratch. Like Swift you can kind of buff it out, but with box you see it and it stays, but then over time it kind of becomes part and it like fades into it. It's all scratched. A la these, I think it's very much like a love bracelet. Like it's just gonna get scratched up and the scratches are part of it. But you guys, it is so beautiful. Like it's shiny and soft and stiff and soft at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. It's the bigger size. So it's 24, and like, I don't know if they have these that often. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know that they have these that often. Do they? What I understand, what I'm actually, so these are now my questions because I was a little worried about getting this and not with my France stuff coming up. And I heard you're supposed to keep it like this so you don't like ruin the strap or something like this. My question is, so this is technically not a quota bag in the US because the US is just Birkin and Kelly, but it's a quota bag in France. So am I gonna get in trouble in France for having this and having bought it within the last couple of weeks for when I go to France? Because if that's the case, then I should cancel my France trip and cancel my appointment and go back another time when I'm not gonna get in trouble. What do you guys think? Do you guys know? Let me know. Should I reach out and ask if I'm gonna get in trouble for this? Like, or if I'm not gonna be able to have keep my appointment? I have an appointment. Should I ask if I'm going to get in trouble for if I'm going to not be able to be offered a bag because I just got this? And that was a part of it. Like I should have actually was thinking in my head after. Okay, so the guy brought it out and he's like, I have this confidence. And we were like, what? And I asked too, I was like, is this a quota bag? And they were like, no. So my friend almost got it. My friend had just purchased something else and they were like, I don't really want to get that right now. But they were like, you can take it. And I was like, I have no purchase history here. I have no purchase history at the store and like this is impossible to get bag that they're offering me. So that's what made me like, well, that's what made me really excited. I love it. But then now like thinking back on it, my thinking, is it a push bag that they couldn't sell? But I think, how would they not be able to sell this? It's literally a black Constance with gold hardware. It's black and gold. It's like literally the best combo, the most classic combo. I think the only negative points are that it's box and it's bigger, right? It's box, it's bigger, and the price point. It was a lot. It was more than my Birkin, which is crazy to think about. It was 49 plus tax was 16, which is 16,315, I think I want to say, which is crazy now that I think about it. But it was like in the moment, it was like an impulse buy, right? Shopaholic. Like it was, I couldn't not get it. I just saw it and I had to get it and I could not say no. I was like, I cannot let this opportunity go. And I love it. I don't even know how I'm going to use it or when I'm going to use it. Like, I don't think, like it's supposed to be a night bag, right? But I feel like I wear it every day. It could fit a lot and it could be my little like daily crossbody thing. The other thing I'm worried about is the big H and like, it's going to get scratched up too. But like, I have a lot of worries about this bag, but all of those, I know I'm as I'm filming this, I'm realizing I have mixed feelings about this purchase. At the end of the day, this is a collector's piece and an awesome bag and I can pass this down and I don't know, it's so beautiful. It's like a masterpiece. I saw people do like a thing where you do it like that. Like that. Oh, that's a cool way. Is that a way to carry it too? I guess it is. Did I just discover that, or does people already know that? I feel very lucky. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this bag. I am still in awe. There's a way to store it. I know that you're not, I watched YouTube videos where you're supposed to store it so that the strap doesn't get like all distorted and out of place. I'm gonna go play with this and look at it and like love it. You guys, brand new. It's just the bee's knees. Black really is, I need a black Birkin and I need a black Kelly because black really is just the best. Like I love my colors, but like there's something so beautiful about black. The other thing I don't know that I love actually is that the H is very loud. It's kind of a little bit loud. Like the Birkins and Kellys, you know them by the shape, but it doesn't like that loud. Like this is pretty loud. It's like a belt buckle. Although I was thinking I could also just wear it this way. Kind of like an Evelyn, right? Wear it the other way. Pocket is pretty big. Oh! Okay. Mon constance. C'est mon constance. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay. I'll do another video about like my thought. I mean, I know I kind of talked about my thoughts in this one, so, but whatever. I got it. It's mine. My own, my precious, my precious. You guys, I think I already got my first scratch. Baby already got her first scratch. It's literally on the back, I think for my necklace. Yeah, okay, well, she's broken in already. Oh my God, you guys, okay, that's all I got. Okay, that's all I got. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hate it, share with your enemies. Next, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Constance and I are gonna go have fun. Bye.